Many people who do workout talks about protein and amount of protein they consume. In this video, Fitness Feast will explain what is protein and its importance. Watch till end to understand what is protein. What is protein? Proteins are the real reasons why bodybuilders have big muscles. Protein make up the most of the muscle mass. Proteins are found everywhere in our body, such as nails, hairs, cell tissues, etc. Amino acids are the key constituents by which protein are formed. There are around 20 amino acids which collectively forms the protein. Out of these 20, 9 amino acids cannot be formed by body. So these essential amino acids have to be added through diet. These essential amino acids are mostly found in plants and animals' meat. How do protein works in our body? Proteins, when they are added in our body, they act as a catalyst in our body for digesting food and repairing muscles tissues which were broken during the workout. Furthermore, keratin and collagen are essential parts of protein which assists in the formation of hairs, teeth, and other important parts of our body. Proteins also store oxygen in our body by hemoglobin. Now we will discuss how proteins are beneficial for us. Protein are one of the most important part of our food because they have many health advantages. But Fitness Feast will discuss top 5 advantages of protein here. The number 1 advantage of taking protein is that it lowers blood pressure of the body. Some studies have shown that protein found in plants and meat can really help in lowering the blood pressure of the body. Protein not only controls the blood pressure, it also helps in reducing bad cholesterol levels of body, which will ultimately reduce the risks of heart attacks and strokes. The second advantage of consuming protein is that it helps in increasing muscle mass of body. Most of the people who wants lean muscle consumes large amount of protein. This is because proteins are the building blocks of muscles. Taking enough amount of protein not only helps in making muscles, but it also increase muscular strength of the body, which will help in strength training and other workouts. The third advantage of taking protein is that it can aid in weight loss. We eat junk food because of our cravings and hunger. And more we eat junk food, more hungry we get. The hormone responsible for hunger is ghrelin. It increases the hunger levels of body and we end up being obese. Proteins, on the other hand, can reduce these hormone production in our body. Adequate consumption of protein can also reduce the junk food cravings in our body, which will eventually help us in losing weight. The fourth advantage of taking protein is that it can help recovering from muscle injury and helps in building muscle again. When we consume protein after injury, protein synthesize new cells which helps in repairing the damaged muscle fiber. After repairing these tissues, then it enables us to get back on our old healthy routine. The fifth and last advantage in our list is that protein helps us to stay in shape with age. When we get old, our muscles and bones get weak. They easily breaks and fractures and it take years to recover. Those age-related muscle loss is called as sarcopenia. To reduce the effects of sarcopenia, protein plays a major role. When we consume protein, it strengthens our muscles and bones and help them to have minimum effects of sarcopenia. Excessive consumption of anything have some disadvantages. Taking excessive amount of protein also have some disadvantages. Excess of protein in our body can create lots of burden on kidneys, heart and bones, and eventually which can lead to failure of these body parts. To prevent this excess, one must know what is daily protein intake requirement for average men and women. For women, daily required intake of protein is 45 to 75 grams, and for men it is 56 to 85 grams. This protein requirement is not for bodybuilders. You guys can watch our videos on protein sources, link provided in description. Protein is overall healthy, and everyone should take adequate amount of protein in their daily lifestyle. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our content, hit like button and press the notifications button for latest videos.